Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here, and I'm just having a look at these beautiful catnip plants. These are Nepeta. This one is Six Hills Giant, and this one is, I think it's called Whisper Pink, like purring like a cat there. They've got a really sort of pungent, fragrant foliage, just almost minty-ish smell. It's quite nice. And then these are perfect for perhaps edging a path or at the front to the middle of the border. Six Hills Giant will reach 2 foot perhaps tall. In the ground, the foliage gets a bit more silver coloured, it's drought resistant. There's another variety we sell, Walker's Low and Junior Walker, and they are, well, this is about the eventual height of those, whereas this one will get sort of about twice the height, but it forms a nice sort of spreading bush, and it's really good for edging pathways or swathes in the border all summer long. It has a flush of flowers. Cut it off, they come back up again like this. This one's flowered 2 or 3 times this year. We just shear them off and they come back up again and again flowering. So that's Nepeta Six Hills Giant. And then the counterpart here, Whisper Pink, and this is basically a pink flower. So this is really sort of nice as well. If you want a different, you could mix them together perhaps in a scheme, or if you want to combine this with different colour flowers, you've got Whisper Pink here. So the choice is yours. Thanks very much. I'll see you next time.